Hello?
Good day.
Is it me you're looking for? First of all, sorry for a very long absence. We've been a bit busy with the car, of course. As you know, we had to get the engine loom changed from a right-hand drive to a left-hand drive.
Yeah.
And as well, we had to figure out some few little niggles with the electrics to get it started. And we found a guy who would supposedly do it.
He didn't.
He didn't.
Just keep it short. He didn't do it.
He didn't do it. He promised a lot and didn't do anything.
Yeah.
A lot of talks, and that was it. So actually, we wasted 2 months and a lot of transport costs. So, the plan.
We tackle it ourselves. That's it. That's all.
That's it. What can I say?
That's it.
I mean, we're gonna keep the DIY and DDM.
That's it.
I guess I'm gonna get going to transport. I have to go pick up that car.
You do. Off to the next scene.
Welcome here in our little van for the day. We're on the way to get our Proton race taxi. As we mentioned, we had some agreements made with somebody who didn't pull through. And because of that, we now have to go pick up the car ourselves. We've decided to tackle the issue ourselves completely. And once again, as we mentioned before, we're putting the DIY back in DDM. So let's go get this car. And we have arrived. The Proton is here. And it's so weird to see it actually. I haven't seen it for a few months. So after a little bit of fiddling around, we finally got the Proton, look over there, onto the truck. And here she is. Finally back with us, where it belongs. And now we have to go see if we can get this thing to start and to run. But first of all, let's drive home. We're nearing the final destination now. As you can see, the Proton taxi is safely on the back, and it just started to rain. In any case, we're gonna meet Ruben, and then we're gonna load this taxi off. So, see you then.
It's here.
Hello?
You drove the wrong way.
No, I didn't. You walked the wrong way.
Alright, let's do it.
Let's go, man.
Ah, where's the turbo flutter?
What turbo flutter?
There's a turbo noise, right?
Oh, you want to hear the turbo?
Well, you have to go left here, right?
Turbo noise.
Turbo noise.
Just kind of gives up at 4,000 RPM.
Yeah, it's a low range turbo then.
Nürburgring!
Woo!
Don't be gentle, it's a rental. Let's
This road brings me back, man. This is where we drove the Proton the first time when we drove it like we stole it.
Yeah, the 1.3 because it was illegal technically.
Go, this is so bad.
It's full power, huh?
This is so bad.
It's full power.
I hope the ratchet straps are still on the car.
Oh yeah, I forgot about them. Yeah,
Be fine, right?
should be fine.
I hope so.
Look at this man work. With electric winch. Sounds odd, but I assume it's fine. It's like a roller coaster. What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? What the hell is he doing, man? Just take it off. It's annoying as hell. Take it off. Yo, just take it off. We'll push it. Just take it off. Look at this. Look at Chubb's work. Okay, stop. We gotta turn it. Okay. Good afternoon, guys. Morning, evening, whatever it is. No idea. In any case, welcome back. While Joachim is going to be tackling a lot of the electronics and wiring today, as you'll see, then it's my job to finish up some of the mechanics, especially in the engine bay. We're missing fuel rail, radiator, alternator's not in its position, and the power steering. And that's all because the 4G15 and 4G93, there are some differences with these fittings. We managed to source them all, and now we're going to tackle... This is annoying. Now we're going to tackle it all, and yeah, I'll show you how it's done.
Hello again, and welcome to another DDM episode. It's been a few months since we've given you an update on the Proton, but that's because corona restrictions are being lifted here in Europe, and we're all going back to work. So you could say we're catching up with all the months that we've been inactive. But today is an update, and a very important one. As you can see, I'm back in my home. And that's because the past few days I've been working on our engine loom. The problem with the loom, of course, is that the engine which we swapped into the Proton is a right-hand drive. The car itself is left-hand drive. So I took the 4G15 and the 4G93 loom here to my home, and in my spare time I fixed it up. So now I will show you what I've done. I have to apologize for the mess you're going to see, but it is midnight and I only just finished the loom. In any case, this is the complete loom. Ignore that one, that's the 4G15 loom. This over here, this is our 4G93 loom. It was right-hand drive, and now it's left. Now there's no guarantee that this loom is actually going to fit the car properly. Like I said, I have the 4G15 loom as well, and I use that one to compare the dimensions roughly to make this one. So hopefully it's going to fit. But first what we need to do is put it in a box and bring it back to DDM headquarters. So let's go on a little trip. we are now in Amsterdam, safely. I've been waiting like an idiot for my luggage, but it wasn't there. It was actually here, in the odd size baggage. Well, at least we know that the loom has arrived safely. Let's start the Proton.
We're finally back together. What a momentous occasion this is.
Yes, it's really very rare for us to be together.
Yeah, it doesn't happen. I literally just got back from go-karting and he just came. Where'd you come back from? Germany, and looking at an engine that he really shouldn't buy because he has to clean up the damn garage.
No, I don't.
And he doesn't.
It's a garage. Garage stay dirty.
Okay. Anyways, did you plug it in?
No, I did plug it in. I just had to ground it.
Okay.
Which isn't so hard.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. We're gonna go see if this loom fits. First of all, to see if it fits. Second, hopefully a start, but I'm not counting on it. I have the custom loom here. And yeah, we're just gonna go see if it fits the car. Just give it a shot.
Okay.
See if we can hear some clicking. I don't hear it.
Nothing, huh? Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Hello.
All right, just a quick update. As you saw in the videos, we weren't able to start the Proton.
Nope.
And it all came down to the ECU just having a transponder in it. So there was no way we can ever get it to start.
Well, we think it's the ECU at least.
We're
There's no communication with
Exactly.
it.
So that's why everything works, but the engine doesn't turn. So we're either going to get an OEM ECU or standalone. Right?
I think we're gonna go initially for the stock ECU from Malaysia.
Probably.
Because they don't have any of those European immobilizers or anything in
Probably.
it. If that doesn't work, we'll go standalone. In any case, it's already November at the time of filming.
Yeah.
So we're not going to be able to race
No.
this season.
And that's why we're going to occupy our time now with the bargain battle.
Yes, which has a lot of exciting things coming.
Exactly.
So don't feel too disheartened. It'll come back next season. And in the meantime, we're going to be building some other nice things. So do stick around for that one.
Yeah. That's all I have to say, right? Really?
Yeah, I think that's it.
All right. Sorry, guys, but we'll fire things up again after the winter.
Yeah. I thought that'd be.
Selamat tinggal.
Have a good day.